to my friends over at Parrot Uncle. They sent me over this absolutely beautiful chandelier. It is perfect for the Parisian glam vibe that I'm going for in my space. And you guys, it is going to set the tone for elegance, luxe, and comfortability for this secret garden spring theme. Now, like I say, I am the beauty. Let's get over to this install of the light fixture. My love, along with one of our good friends, P, came over to help get these light fixtures installed. Now, I was multitasking, recording 2 videos in one, and by the time I came back, the fellas had this chandelier already up and going. And while they're working, I want to tell you a little bit about Parrot Uncle. They are an online lighting source, guys, for all types of lighting needs, whether it's kitchen fixtures, bathroom fixtures, ceiling fans, chandeliers, and in my case, chandeliers. They have something for you, regardless of your design style or regardless of your budget. Parrot Uncle has something to fit your needs. Now, the fellas did their part. Now I come in to add the teardrop crystals, and they are absolutely exquisite. And this is where the chandelier comes to life. The pieces are beautifully designed, well crafted, easy to install. Definitely a beautiful jewel in this space. So now let's make the space fit the light fixture. Guys, I am having just a really nice relaxing moment here, just in full worship mode. Now, Royals, how absolutely stunning is this chandelier? With this acrylic retractable blade, it is such a showstopper. The crystals are beautifully crafted. Iridescent undertones is absolutely breathtaking. I love everything about it, guys. It sets the tone for any level of elegance you desire in your home. Now, it comes with a remote control, 3 different settings, beautiful bright LED lighting, creates a nice sexy ambiance in your room, and it is definitely the missing piece to our master suite. You have the settings of low, medium, and high for your comfort level or desired comfort level. It screams elegant and glam. Our bed and side tables are from Ashley's Furniture. The ottoman is a Facebook Marketplace find. And of course, you know that this beautiful showstopper of a chandelier is from Parrot Uncle.